Okay, we brought the guys to the dog park today. It's a Thursday, no one's here yet, sadly. But there could be someone. Got Boone dragging his leash. Was hoping there'd be people here for Boone to practice our petting while sitting. Petting while sitting. Very hard for Boone to sit while he's being petted. He's a very bad boy. And Boris just getting used to being approached by dogs he doesn't know in general. He's around a lot of dogs all day long, but not in great vast quantities of dogs he doesn't know. And then Sadie's just along to have fun. Because she can. Because she's a cutie. It's hot out today. Maybe that's why no one's here. Boop. Oh, Boone, no. Boone, sit. Boone, sit. Good boy, break.
Come on, Shallow.
So far, Boone's been okay.
Good girl, yeah.
Boris. Good boy.
Good girl.
Sit. Boris, sit. Boris, break. Uh-oh. I don't know if I'm going to get through, Boris.
Come on.
Haha. Go get Boris. Go, go, go. No?
Come see.
No.
See.
Boone got it.
Get that ball.
Woo. Whee.
Come on, babe.
What do you think, Boris? Huh?
I don't think so.
Borisy!
Come here.
He's a pretty boy. Boris! Boris! Boris, let's go. Here. Good boy. Boris, sit. No. Sit. Good boy. Boone's being a good boy. Sadie's being a good girl. Boris is, of course, a sweetie.
Fence and then the other house, and they have a Northampton address, but they have a lot of woods trails behind them, and one time they got a possum. Brought that thing back. She went and buried it like half a mile away. Next morning, Peter still got the possum back, so that's when Steph decided to trash bag it.
Oh, Sadie's having a good time. Make her mom happy.
Yeah, Indy was here the other day. She's a white Siberian Husky. She's a year and a half.